In this video, we will explore the 5 best pressure rice cookers in 2026, comparing features, capacity, and technology to help you choose the perfect appliance for your kitchen. From smart cooking functions to easy cleanup, we cover everything you need to know. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. Cuckoo Heating Pressure Cooker. The Cuckoo Heating Pressure Cooker and Warmer is a state-of-the-art kitchen appliance designed to make cooking effortless and precise. With 12 built-in programs, it covers a wide range of cooking needs, including glutinous rice, mixed rice, brown rice, and GABA rice. Each program is optimized to deliver consistent and perfect results, whether you are preparing a simple meal or an elaborate family feast. Its generous capacity allows you to cook up to 20 cups of rice in a single session, making it ideal for gatherings or large families. The digital controls are intuitive, and the modern light-emitting diode display provides clear information at a glance. Behind the simplicity, fuzzy logic technology continuously adjusts cooking parameters to ensure your meals are cooked perfectly every time. Safety has been carefully considered in the design. The automatic steam release function, combined with a soft steam cap, releases pressure quietly and safely, preventing accidents and giving you peace of mind. Included with the cooker are essential accessories, such as a rice spatula, a rice measuring cup, a steam plate, and a detailed product manual, allowing you to start cooking immediately without extra purchases. From perfectly steamed sushi rice to tender and juicy ribs, the Cuckoo Heating Pressure Cooker opens the door to versatile culinary creations. It is a blend of convenience, safety, and technology, providing an intelligent cooking experience right in your kitchen. Pros: large capacity, versatile programs, precise cooking. Cons: slightly bulky for small kitchens. Number 4. Yum Asia Panda Mini Rice Cooker. The Yum Asia Panda Mini Rice Cooker features a high-quality 5-layer, 2mm thick Ninja ceramic-coated inner bowl, ensuring even heat distribution and a healthy cooking environment. Its durable construction prevents sticking and enhances the flavor and texture of your rice. Operating at 120 volts and 60 Hz, it is fully compatible with standard electrical outlets in the United States. Advanced fuzzy logic technology allows precise temperature control, making sure your rice is cooked perfectly every time. With a capacity of 3.5 cups or 0.6 liters of uncooked rice, this cooker is ideal for individuals or small families. You can select from a variety of settings, including white rice, long grain, short grain, sushi rice, and brown rice, offering versatility for different meals and occasions. The quick cook option speeds up preparation when time is limited without compromising quality. Beyond rice, the Yum Asia Panda functions as a multi-cooker, capable of steaming vegetables, preparing porridge, slow-cooking stews, and even baking cakes. The 24-hour keep warm function and built-in timer ensure your meals are ready when you need them. The 10-minute rice countdown provides clear feedback on cooking progress. Maintenance is simple thanks to the detachable stainless steel inner lid, outer steam cap, and condensation collector, all designed for hygiene and easy cleaning. The package includes a food-grade steam basket, measuring cup, rice spatula, soup ladle, and a multi-language instruction manual, providing everything required to start cooking immediately. Pros: compact, versatile, precise cooking. Cons: limited capacity for larger families. Number 3. Zojirushi NP-HCC18XH. The Zojirushi NP-HCC18XH Induction Heating System, Rice Cooker, and Warmer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to elevate your cooking experience. With a capacity of 1.8 liters, or approximately 10 cups of uncooked rice, it is ideal for families and gatherings. At the core of this appliance is advanced induction heating technology, which delivers precise and consistent heat, allowing for accurate temperature adjustments to ensure perfectly cooked rice every time. This rice cooker features a comprehensive multi-menu system that supports a wide variety of rice types and cooking styles. You can prepare regular white rice, softer or harder white rice, jasmine rice, mixed rice, sushi rice, porridge, sweet rice, brown rice, GAB, a brown rice, and quick cook options, making it a highly adaptable tool for diverse meals. The triple heater system, with heating elements located at the bottom, sides, and lid, ensures even heat distribution throughout the cooking process. The exterior is clear-coated stainless steel, which is both sleek and easy to clean, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Operating the cooker is straightforward with the easy-to-read orange LCD control panel, which includes a clock, timer, and selectable melody or beep alerts to signal when your rice is ready. Automatic and extended keep warm functions maintain the perfect serving temperature until you are ready to eat. Health-conscious users will appreciate the brown rice, GAB a brown rice, and germinated brown rice settings, offering nutritious options with minimal effort. Pros: large capacity, precise induction heating, versatile cooking options. Cons: takes up significant counter space. Number 2. Cuckoo Twin Pressure Cooker. The Cuckoo Twin Pressure Cooker, Model C RPLHTR609FW, is a versatile appliance designed to deliver perfectly cooked rice with ease. With a capacity of 6 cups uncooked and 12 cups cooked, it is ideal for families and gatherings, providing ample servings for any occasion. The cooker features 16 menu options, allowing you to prepare a wide range of dishes, including white glutinous rice, GAB, a brown rice, vegetable rice, and even baby food. Smart automated technology simplifies the cooking process. Multiple steaming functions and an automatic keep warm mode maintain rice at the perfect serving temperature without overcooking. One of the key highlights of this appliance is the twin pressure selection, offering both high-pressure and non-pressure cooking. This flexibility enables you to customize your cooking results to match your preferences, whether you desire softer or firmer rice. For convenience, the cooker includes a 3-language voice guide in English, Chinese, and Korean, acting as a personal kitchen assistant to guide you through each step. Cleaning is effortless thanks to the auto clean function, which automatically steams the interior once cooking is complete, reducing maintenance time. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot features a non-stick black coating, combining durability with easy cleanup. The Cuckoo Twin Pressure Cooker pairs sleek design with advanced technology, making it both functional and stylish in any kitchen. Its combination of performance, versatility, and user-friendly features positions it as an intelligent addition to modern cooking spaces. Pros: multiple pressure options, versatile menus, easy to clean. Cons: smaller capacity for very large families. Number 1. Zojirushi NP-HCC18XH. The Zojirushi NP-HCC18XH rice cooker features advanced microcomputerized fuzzy logic technology, allowing precise adjustments to ensure perfectly cooked rice every time. With a capacity of 5 1/2 cups or 1.0 liters, it is ideal for small families or intimate gatherings. Its compact design, measuring 10 1/8 inches in width, 14 inches in depth, and 8 1/2 inches in height, makes it a convenient addition to any kitchen countertop without taking up excessive space. The automatic keep warm function maintains rice at the perfect serving temperature, while the extended keep warm and reheating cycle allows you to enjoy meals at your convenience. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the clear-coated stainless steel exterior, the removable inner lid, and the non-stick inner cooking pan, which prevents rice from sticking and simplifies maintenance. This rice cooker offers multiple menu settings, including a white rice option for fluffy, perfectly textured rice, a brown rice menu for healthier meals, and a steam setting suitable for vegetables and seafood. The dedicated cake menu even allows you to bake desserts, with included recipes in the user manual for guidance. The easy-to-read LCD display panel features a clock, timer functions, and 2 delay timer settings, offering flexibility to match your cooking schedule. Interchangeable melodies and beep signals alert you when your rice is ready. For convenience, the built-in retractable power cord ensures tidy storage and easy transport. Pros: precise, fuzzy logic cooking, versatile menu options, easy cleanup. Cons: small capacity for larger families. There you have it, the top 5 pressure rice cookers of 2026, each offering unique features to suit different cooking needs and lifestyles. Whether you want precise cooking, large capacity, or multifunctional use, one of these models will fit perfectly. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below. So let's jump right in.